Are you looking for all-in-one CRM solutions to manage your business more efficiently? If yes, then meet FLOWLU CRM. This is a powerful platform designed to handle everything from project management to invoicing, team collaboration, and customer interactions all in one place. So in this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about FLOWLU, from setting up your account to making the most of its features. So whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or a growing enterprise, this tutorial will help you get started the right way. So let's start with the section one. So we're going to be asking, what is FlowLu CRM? So FlowLu is more than just a customer relationship management tool. It's all-in-one business management software that includes project tracking, sales automation, invoicing, financial management, and team collaboration. So think of it as a Swiss Army knife for your business operations. Now, if you might be asking how to sign up for FlowLu. So to get started, head over to theflowlu.com and then just sign up for a free account. They offer a free account. So they offer also multiple plans, including a forever free version with essential features. So once you sign up, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is here. So which serves as the control center for all your activities. Now let's navigate the dashboard. So at first glance, FlowLu's interface may seem overwhelming, but don't worry, here's a quick breakdown for you guys. So at the left sidebar, so this contains all your main tools like CRM, projects, and finance. Now for the top menu, so this includes all the notifications and the account settings, as you can see, as you can tell. And for the main workspace, which is here, this is where you'll see all your activities and data in real time. So now let's set up your company profile. So before diving into FlowLu's features, you should set up your company profile. So this includes your business name, the industry, team members, and currency preferences. So these settings will personalize your CRM experience and also ensure the accurate reporting. And now for adding users and managing roles. So if you have a team, so you can add users and assign roles in FlowLu. So this is very crucial for managing access to sensitive data. So FlowLu allows you to set different permission levels so that only the right people can have access to critical business information. Now for setting up your CRM module. So the CRM module is the heart of FlowLu. So this is where you'll store the customer data. You can track interactions here, and you can also manage sales pipelines. So you can manually add customers or import contacts from a CSV file. So if you're switching from another CRM, you can also do that in FlowLu. Now for managing leads and sales pipelines. So FlowLu makes lead tracking effortless. I'm going to tell you why. So you can create multiple sales pipelines to track leads at different stages. So you can simply move a lead through the pipeline as they progress from prospect to customer. Now let's also talk about automating workflows and sales processes. So one of FlowLu's strongest features is automation. So you can automate tasks like sending follow-up emails, assigning leads to sales reps, or even updating pipeline stages. So this saves you tons of time, which is really helpful for your growing business or company. Now for project management features. So FlowLu is not just for sales. It's also about a powerful project management tool. So you can create projects, assign tasks to the team members. You can also set deadlines and monitor the progress all in one place. Now for managing tasks and to-do lists. So the task management feature ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. So nothing is gonna be left behind. So you can assign tasks, set priorities, and track your due dates. So Flowlu even sends reminders to keep your team's schedule on schedule rather. Now for the time tracking and productivity insights. So if you charge by the hour, Flowlu's time tracking tool is a very game changer. So you can log hours spent on projects and generate reports to see where your time is going. Now for invoicing and payments. So with Flowlu, you can create and send invoices directly to clients. It also integrates with PayPal, Stripe, and other payment gateways, making it easier to get paid faster. Now for financial management tools. So you can track income, expenses, and even financial forecasts right inside Flowlu. So this helps you stay on top of your business finances without needing a separate accounting tool. And now for creating custom reports. So Flowlu offers custom reports to analyze sales, expenses, and team productivity. So these insights can help you make better business decisions. So for customer support and help desk. So if you offer customer support, you can set up a help desk in Flowlu. So it allows you to manage customer tickets and support requests from one platform. Now for setting up email integration. So in Flowlu, you can connect your Gmail or Outlook account to send and receive emails with Flowlu. So this keeps all the customer interactions in one place. So now for mobile application and remote access. So for those who don't know, Flowlu has a mobile application so you can manage your business on the go. So this is really great for teams that work remotely. So if you go around the city, if you go somewhere, you can just check whatever is in your mobile application. So you can also do work even when you're out without your laptop or any tool, just your mobile phone. Now for security and data protection. So Flowlu takes security seriously, so you can set up two-factor authentication and encryption to keep your data safe. Now for pricing and subscription plans. So Flowlu offers a free plan with basic features, but for advanced tools like automation and invoicing, you may need a paid plan for that. So it starts with $29 monthly. Now for my final thoughts. So the question is Flowlu worth it? So if you're looking for an affordable, feature-rich CRM, Flowlu is a fantastic choice. It combines project management, also track sales and invoicing and even collaboration, and all in one place or all in a powerful tool. So if you're just starting with your business, Flowlu is a great start for you. And that's it for our beginner's tutorial for FlowLu CRM. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye!